Let's add or subtract as indicated. Negative 50 minus a negative 31 minus 15 minus a negative 11. Using order of operations, we'll go left to right in finding our answer. So we'll first find negative 50 minus a negative 31 to an answer, and then we'll subtract 15 from it, and then finally subtract a negative 11 from that answer for our final answer. So, to begin, to find negative 50 minus negative 31, let's use our rules on the right to change this into an addition problem by changing this to a plus sign and becoming a positive 31. We now have negative 50 plus 31. Using our rules for adding signed numbers, when the signs are different, we'll subtract their absolute values and keep the sign of the bigger number. Subtracting 50 minus 31 will become 19, and the sign of the bigger number is 50, so our result is negative 19. Next, we'll subtract 15 from this, and finally subtract a negative 11 from that answer. So now dealing with negative 19 minus 15, let's change this again into adding a negative, so we'll change this to adding a negative 15, so we now have negative 19 plus negative 15. Since the signs are the same, when adding, we'll add their absolute values together and keep the signs in the answer. So 19 and 15 add up to 34. And since it was negative 19 plus negative 15, our result will be negative 34. To this, now let's subtract a negative 11. In doing this problem, let's convert our problem into an addition problem by changing this to a plus sign and changing the sign of the second number. We now have negative 34 plus positive 11. Since the signs are different, we'll subtract their absolute values and keep the sign of the bigger number. So 34 minus 11 will become 23, and the sign of the bigger number was 34 is negative. So our answer will be negative. Therefore, our final answer to this problem is negative 23.